What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm over here in the baby section and these are brand new this week. This is the Baby Love Moisturizing Creamy Baby Oil. It's the same brand as this petroleum jelly that's been here for a long time. This is not a Dollar Tree brand. This is a name brand, hypoallergenic, free of all the stuff you don't want, and the scent is aloe and vitamin E. Such a cute little bottle, such a cute little color. It kind of looks like hair conditioner. And then these are still here. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried these. These are the Arm & Hammer bonus 12-ounce baby foaming wash and shampoo, and it is fragrance free. Looks like they sold out of all of the Pedialytes. We also have this Baby Love baby oil. Again, that's also name brand. I don't think we have anything new over here. The cute baby bibs. Cute cups. I don't know, these might be new. The little spill-proof cups. We also have red and yellow. And then behind me over here is the pet area. These are kind of scratchy. It reminds me of something, but I can't remember like what it is that I've seen that's this texture before. Something for the bath. Those are little eating mats. Thank you guys for all the views on the recent cleaning supply and laundry video. If you guys want videos like that on a regular basis, please let me know. We have Love My Carpet. We have the extra strength carpet freshener. Freshener. You know how it is, you guys. You're like trying to say something. You're like, wait a minute, freshener. Yeah, I think freshener sounds right. We have our moments where we say things and things just don't sound right. And it's like, wait a minute, that's not what it is. The big Ajax, the big Comets. All of the colorful Fabulosos, the colorful Spick and Spans. I've been watching a lot of overpour ASMR videos lately here on YouTube, and we just have so many creative ASMRists, and they just do overpours with beautiful color combinations, cleaner pours on sponges. And I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I think those videos are super satisfying. But if you guys are into ASMR and you didn't know, I have a new ASMR channel. It's Bunny Birdy Gator ASMR, and I have been mostly doing things with baby powder and cornstarch and baking soda, but I'm also going to be doing a lot with gym chalk. I'm just kind of starting with what I have, and I'm building up my gym chalk supply right now. I currently have 2 boxes of it. To those of you that are like, what is she talking about? Just go ahead and Google gym chalk ASMR and you'll see what I mean. I think it's the most relaxing, yummy, satisfying thing to watch. Birdy's been loving these. She wants it with the chunks. The coconut juice with the chunks. Those are without the chunks. She wants with. So I'm hoping my other store will have the with chunks. I always like to see if we have any new desserts over here. We do have the single mango and single strawberry mochis. Those popped up last week. Those are amazing. We have our super pretzels. I have some coupons in the car for these. Buy two, save $1. As long as that coupon's still good, you would basically be getting one bag or box for free. I meant to get some of those, but I haven't really been on my couponing this week. Some weeks I'm really on it, other weeks I'm not. And then I've kind of realized that you can spend a lot of time clipping coupons and assuming that things are going to be in the stores, and then by the time you've cut them out and separated them and you get to the store, those things are nowhere to be found. Ooh, Sweet Dreams. These are new satin pillowcases. So yeah, a lot of times I just look through my coupons and I try to make note of the deals that are out there. And then if the stores have those items, then I usually go out to the car and just grab the coupons. But that's called learning the hard way. When you invest a lot of time in something and then it doesn't quite work out. Nerdy Nummies up there, Nerdy Nummy cookie cutters. Oh, these are cute. The larger ramekins. We also have them in red. Oh, I wanted to get some more of these, but why do these look kind of green? These used to be in a 4-pack. Do you guys remember that? But all of these look kind of bluish white or greenish white. I think I'm gonna wait until I find some extra white ones. I'm just gonna be picky. I know I got a request to look over here at a lot of these kitchen items. We have some cute little strainers here with the handle. Vegetable peelers, potato mashers, little skimmers for fried things, apple corers, a lot of Betty Crocker items over here, whisks, the avocado tool, I'm still using my little pop socket, and it was really stiff at first, but then either, I don't know, I either got used to it or it softened up because I'm still using it. Oh, look, you guys. More of the stylus. You guys know this brand is sold at Walmart for like $7. And these are cute little pen stylus. I got some of these for Gator, but they were the kid ones. One looked like a crayon and the other one looked like a big pencil. Those are definitely worth more than $1 everywhere else. Okay, you guys, well, I'm gonna start another video on another aisle, so thank you so much for watching, and join me in my very next video. We're gonna see everything that's new for the week. Okay, bye guys.